Kids love to get hands-on, whether it's building a boat for their motion project or making flowers because they're working on some environmental or sustainability project. Perhaps working with some wheels in motion, dealing with friction, maybe a law of motions, shooting projectiles. And the super fantastic, oh my goodness, making robots and other contraptions while they're learning computer programming. And not only that, there is making virtual worlds on Minecraft, designing applications, or maybe learning about the human bones, the human body, and how all the different parts, the systems come together in the field of health sciences. Possibilities are endless, and kids love that variety, don't they? And while you, the educator, the teacher, you may be a care provider or working in any capacity in children's education, and especially if you're dealing with the elementary grade children, the kindergarten to 5th grade, you know it is so important that you create these activities which are very engaging. You want the children to get involved into what they're learning. And that variety is so important. But at the same time, while you're trying to keep everything fun and engaging for children, you have to make sure that you're meeting your own learning goals and standards, right? And you are keeping the parents and the administration happy, because for them it's about the actual tangible learning, right? So you are so aware that you don't want to just create a mishmash of activities, but even though you want to do just the opposite of that, actually create tangible learning pathways for the students, you do end up spending a ton of time trying to find activities on Google, Teacher Pay Teachers, or YouTube, and picking out activities, trying them out, figuring out the materials and what is needed for what kind of contraption, and it gets chaotic, right? Countless hours spent in trying to figure all these things out, and while you have to take care of your core responsibilities of teaching the children, making sure that they're achieving the goals that they need to accomplish. I'm here to help address this problem for you. I want to give you the tools and resources to bring learning to your students without having to spend time in searching for answers and figuring those activities out. I want to provide you with structured lesson plans and pathways that you can implement for your students right away. Hey, this is Moni Singh. I am the founder of STEM for Kids. I'm an engineer, a creator, a mother, and a lifelong learner.
Many know me as the founder of the STEM for Kids movement, the movement that brought engineering and technology topics to children's level in a fun, real, and mindful way. While my work in engineering and business created multiple wins for many corporations, I found my true love in uplifting children by helping educators. Since 2011, I have inspired teachers, parents, education entrepreneurs, caregivers, and tutors around the world to follow their passion and realize their goals.
Now that you've heard about my story and the STEM for Kids story, let's talk about solving your problems. I am offering scholarships that will cover 98% of the cost of STEM courses. These are well-structured lesson plans that you can apply immediately for your students. You'll get trained on these courses, and you can have 9 different courses, including mechanical engineering themed motion commotion. We have biomedical engineering, hitting the funny bone. We have robotics. We have the adventures of Captain Energy Pants, going into all different kinds of energy. We have computer programming. We have website design lab. We have the power of math. So great way to get some mathematics into your programming as well. There's Minecraft time travel, where children are creating virtual worlds. You can look at all the details of the different courses which are available in the package right below this. If you have questions about how the scholarship works, basically all you have to do is apply for the scholarship here on this page, and you will receive a decision in a matter of minutes, which is great. So that way you don't have to wait anymore or spend any more time searching for information. As soon as you apply, we will make a decision. You'll hear about our decision right then and there. And if you are accepted, you can go ahead, proceed forward with the next steps and setting up your access. You can start training immediately. There's no restriction in what we are doing. All the 9 courses will be available to you immediately. You can start one course, you can pick a couple of the activities to do from there, you can do a second course, a third one, however you want to move forward. Our detailed courses are being used for over a decade, and they were available only to an exclusive group of educators, and now I'm making them available to you. Why is that? My goal is to reach 1 million students in a year, and I'm looking for your help in making that happen. So by enabling you, by giving you the resources to take these quality innovative STEM programs to your students wherever you are, we are going to impact 1 million students. The scholarships are going to cover 98% of the cost of the course itself. So all you have to do is apply for the courses. It is not a gimmick, and I know that many people will have questions about, is this legitimate? Please do look through we put a lot of information on this page. There are frequently asked questions. If you have questions about who I am or questions about STEM for Kids, you'll also see information that you can verify. Bottom line is that this is something I am offering for the first 1,000 eligible educators. So if you believe that your students deserve the best and you deserve the peace of mind and not spending so much time just figuring out your lessons, go for it, apply for your scholarships. I wish you all the best, and let's reach 1 million students together.